Hi, this is Robbie of Southern California, and you probably know already that we have hundreds and thousands of hummingbirds living here in our Southern California gardens all year long. Keep in mind, it wasn't that many years ago when we only had one, but the numbers have built up with them living here and having so many babies, as well as the migrators coming through to stay here and winter. The following video is footage I've taken in the gardens of hummingbirds eating on flowers as well as some of our feeders in slow motion. I figured if I can enjoy them all the time, well, I want you to enjoy them with me too. So enjoy the following video on hummingbirds in slow motion so we can see how they move about the yard and the garden. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video along with me. And keep in mind, if you have hummingbirds in your area, all you need is 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar mixed with 1 cup of water. And if you can drink your drinking water, they can too. Put that out and you too should start enjoying a lot of hummingbirds too. If you don't have that many, well, just put a little bit in the feeder and keep the rest of it that you've mixed up in the refrigerator. It should last for a week or so in there, and then change it out every few days. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And as I always say, don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.